IELTS 9. From this book, I am going to do this reading. This is Academic Reading Passage 3 from Test 3. And the title of this passage is Information Theory, the Big Idea. Information Theory, the Big Idea. You must be thinking why I am repeating it, this title, because in this way I am going to convey the message. I'm going to convey a message to my mind that I'm going to do this reading. I'm going to get some information, some knowledge about this title. So in this way you are getting ready your mind to do this reading. And please after this you are going to 100% you are going to get 100% concentration to your reading passage. Okay, now this reading has been divided into smaller paragraphs with the name given on that, alphabets from A to F. From A to F they have given the paragraphs. Okay, first thing, after finding the reading passage, first important thing is always try to find the type of questions they have given for this reading. Here the first type of questions we have finding the information. The reading passage has 6 paragraphs. Yes, we know it. Which paragraph contains the following information? It means finding the information from the paragraphs. From here to here, these are the instructions. It's always important to read the instructions carefully. Read the instructions carefully. And now the first type of question here is contains the following information. Second type of questions here is complete the notes below. Complete the notes below and with the help of 2 words, not more than 2 words, no more than 2 words. Okay, and the third type of question here for this reading passage is true, false, not given. True, false, not given. Okay, let's start with finding the information. Okay, let's start it. Now here we have 27, 28 to 32 questions we have given here. So for what is the strategy for doing this finding the information? Always read the whole these options. Always read the options 2-3 times. First, let's start it. 27 question is an explanation of the factors affecting the transmission of information. Read it twice or thrice to understand the meaning of this option. An explanation of the factors affecting the transmission of information. They are saying the factors, there must be some factors or reasons or elements or some components discussing those. Affecting means something is affecting, something is disturbing the transmission of information. Always try to find the meaning of this option, then you can easily find the answer. Okay, of course. And now why I have circled these words? Because these are the important according to this information. This option for finding the location of this question. Of course, this option, first I am going to look for transmission of information. After finding, I am going to look for affecting word. Of course, this affecting word I am not going to get as it is same in the reading passage. We are going to get some other word for this. Okay, for now we were discussing about the strategy for this. Strategy is always read the options first, twice or thrice, in fact every. Now read it turn by turn and then we will go to the paragraphs. 28th is an example of how unnecessary information can be omitted. Yes, information, the word information you will be getting throughout the passage, but here in this you will be this is the important word, and omitted. Of course, this for this you will be getting synonym. Of course, for this also you will be getting synonym of this. 29th is a reference to Shannon's attitude to fame. Shannon's attitude. it means Shannon's attitude, her behavior, something like this must be given in a paragraph. And to fame is to popularize. He must be a famous person. So this option is very easy to find because name is given. Okay. 30th is details of a machine capable of interpreting incomplete information. Details of a machine, they are talking about some machines capable of interpreting incomplete, yes, incomplete information. Okay. 31 is a detailed account of an incident involving information theory. A detailed account of an incident. Yes, incident is the important word here. Incident, there must be an event and there must be a some kind of incident, explanation of something, some explanation, some physical happening over. They must be explaining some physical happening in the paragraph involving information theory. Okay, theory is, we will be looking, we can look for theory also. 32 is a reference to what Shannon. Okay, Shannon again, it's a name. Initially intending to achieve in his research. Initially here means in the beginning. In the starting, intended to achieve in his research. Intended here, wanted to achieve in his research. So now we have read all the options from 27 to 32. Now it's time to turn to the paragraphs. I'm doing it very slowly because it's an explanation video. So while doing your practice, first try to do how I am, the way I am doing it here. Okay, first paragraph. So for doing this type of questions, you have to read the paragraph one by one. Okay, let's read it very fast now. An event took place which demonstrates. Okay, now they are talking about an event. Yes, I got the clue for my information. Okay, took place which demonstrated one of the many applications of information theory. Yes, information theory was also given. Okay, but let's read it. The last line is important to read. Yet incredibly, the little probe managed to hear the faint call from its home planet and successfully made the switch over. Okay, here it is. We got the clue here for this. Let's go to the options. 27th is an explanation of the factors affecting the transmission of information. No. An explanation of how unnecessary information can be omitted. No, nothing has discussed about anything omitted. Like a reference to Shannon's attitude. No name was given. Details of a machine capable of interpreting, but we are looking for event. A detailed account of an event. Okay, an incident involving information theory. Yes, theory was also given. Let's read it again. A detailed account of an incident involving information theory. Yes. Okay, an event took place which demonstrated, okay, one of the many applications of information theory. Yes. For this we got the correct answer is A. So let's cut it from the list of options. Okay, let's go to the B paragraph here. Okay, it was the longest distance repair job in history and triumph for the NASA engineer, but it also, okay, from the first line nothing is revealing about the paragraph, I think. Let's read it further. But it also highlighted the astonishing power of the technique developed by American. Okay, Shannon is, yes, this person's name is there, who had died just year earlier, born in this, showed an early talent for the maths and for building gadgets, and made breakthroughs in the foundations of computer technology when still a student. When at Shannon developed information theory, but shunned the resulting acclaim in 1940s, which has, your pencil should move like this only, has to be conveyed rapidly, yet accurately. Okay, here it is saying, let's read the person's name. Yes, we have options here, like a reference to Shannon's attitude to fame. Shannon's attitude to fame. Okay, detailed. Next is here in the last, a reference to what Shannon initially intended to achieve in his research. Okay, Shannon initially intended to achieve in his research. Initially an early talent for maths. No, it's not matching. But here it is given, while at laboratories developed information theory but shunned the resulting acclaim. Acclaim here means shunned, here means shunned, here means, let's look at this, a reference to Shannon's attitude to fame here. But shunned the, it means he is not taking attitude to fame. He is not these words are showing his attitudes to fame. Acclaim here means fame. So our answer is 29th is B. 29th is B. Okay, let's go to C paragraph. Okay, let's go to the C paragraph. Okay, this seems light years away from down to earth uses Shannon. Again Shannon originally had for his work, which began when he was 22 year old. Okay, now I got the clue, because here it is saying down to earth uses Shannon's originally had for his work, which began he was 22. Originally, yes, in the question it was given like a reference to what Shannon initially intended to achieve in his research. Here it is given, you can see Shannon originally here means initially had for his work, which began when he was 22-year-old engineering student at Institute of Technology. He set out all these things he set out. So initially intended to achieve in his research. Yes, this away from down to earth uses Shannon's originally had for his work, which began. Okay, so answer is C, it's given. So no need to go in very minute detail of the passage. First, in the first two lines you have got the answer for this. So let's write it and let's cut it from the list of option again. Now we have three options, 27, 30 and 28. Okay, let's go to the D paragraph. D paragraph is, noise usually means unwanted sounds, okay, which interfere, okay, with genuine information. Information theory generalizes this idea by theorems that capture the effects of noise with mathematical precision. In particular, Shannon showed that noise sets a limit on the rate of which information can pass along communication. Okay, yes, I got the clue here. Yes, here in this, an explanation of factors affecting the transmission of information. Yes, here it is given, noise usually means unwanted sounds which interfere means affecting with genuine information theory. This idea causes the effects of noise with this. In particular, Shannon showed that noise sets a limit. This is the factor, sets a limit on the rate at which information can pass along communication channels. Transmission of information. Factors, we all think factors is one of the factors he had showed. Noise is the factor which is affecting. For affecting, the writer has used interfere also, and here also noise sets a limit on the rate at which information can pass along communication channels. From here to here we can get the clue for this topic. So the answer is D. D. This is D. Okay, next we now 27th is also cut. An explanation of how unnecessary information can be omitted, and 30th is details of a machine capable of interpreting incomplete information. Okay, now options are also 2 and we have left with 2 paragraphs only. Let's read it one by one. Over the years, scientists have devised many such coding methods, okay, that proved crucial in many technological feats. The Voyager spacecraft transmitted data using codes which added one extra byte for every single byte of information. The result was an error rate of just 1 byte in 10,000, and clear pictures of other codes have become part of everyday, such as the universal product code or ever detecting system, okay, that ensures supermarket checkout lasers. Okay, yes, supermarkets, what they can use for these kinds of markets, of course, error detecting system, and these codes are we can assume, we can say these are the these are the details of a machine capable of interpreting incomplete information. Okay, incomplete, where it is, many coding methods, they have crucial in many fields technology. Voyager spacecraft transmitted data using codes which add, okay, single, okay, other codes have become uses a simple error detecting system, which ensures supermarket checkout lasers can read the price even on bag of crisp. Okay, in this way they are saying a detailed account of an incident involving, details of a machine capable of interpreting incomplete information, capable of, okay, yes, capable of incompleting machine, yes, it is error detecting system capable of interpreting incomplete information. For this, our answer is E. Now we have left with F, and here one is left. An example of how unnecessary information can be omitted. Of course, the answer will come here F, but let's look at the option what the writer is saying in F paragraph. Shannon also laid the foundations of more efficient ways of storing information by striping out superfluous bits from data which contributed little real information. Yes, here the statement is saying an example of how unnecessary information can be omitted. Yes, here striping out is unnecessary. Can be omitted. Striping out is omitted. More efficient ways of storing information by striping out superfluous bits from data which contributed little real information. Means which contributed little real information is unnecessary information they are talking. Okay. So we have completed this finding the information. Let's move to the next type of question. Here is this, complete the notes below. Okay, let's do it fast with the help of 2 words, not more than 2 words. We can use 1 word or 2 words, but not 3 words. Okay, let's read it. The Voyage 1 space probe, for finding the location of this, the whole fill in the blanks, you have to look for Voyager space 1. Okay, in the first paragraph, let's go to the first A paragraph. Yes, I have got this Voyager 1. Okay, let's read it one by one. The probe transmitted pictures of both, okay, and then left then there. Okay, the probe pictures of both means before and after the blanks words are important, both and then left the, okay, probe. Let's go to the, yes, probe word is here in this paragraph. The space probe dash had sent back spectacular images of, okay, and word is here, Let's read whether they are matching it. The probe transmitted pictures of both. Okay, yes, for pictures the writer has used the word images. Images is given of both. Both is not even there, but we can find and is there. So the answer, images of Jupiter and word is there, Jupiter and Saturn, and then soared out of the solar system on a way. Okay, let's read it. Let's write it here. First is Jupiter. Just write the spelling very carefully in the answer sheet. And Saturn. Then left the dash. Then left what they have left. Okay, till here our answer was there. Then is there, yes, soared out of the solar system on a way vision to the. Okay, then left the. Then what is, yes, now they are talking about then left. Then this is the left. Then left the. Then left the word is there before the blank solar system on a way mission back to the stars. Okay, then left here means on the way mission back to the stars. Okay, let's read it. Let's write it right here, solar, because before the blank word is important to find the answer. Solar system. Images is, as I told you, this is the synonym. This is the synonym, as I told you. Please don't consider it answer. Okay, next is the freezing temperatures were found to have a negative effect on parts of space probe, and scientists fear that both the, again both the and word must be given. It is very easy to find the fill in the blanks actually. And let's look at the word and in the freezing temperature. Yes, they are talking about, and word is here. Let's look at the meaning of, let's match it. Sensors and circuits were on the brink of falling. Okay, scientists fear that both the dash sensors and circuits were about to stop working. Yes, to stop working is, I think they have used the word on the brink of falling. Falling, yes, on the brink of falling is what? Stop working. On the brink of falling is stop working. They have the writer has used the word stop working is brink of falling. So let's write it. Sensors and circuits. Let's match it whether it is sensors. Yes, sensors and circuits. And here Saturn, Jupiter and Saturn were given. Okay, sensors and circuits. Okay, next is the only hope was to tell the probe to replace them with dash, but distance made communication with the probe difficult. Okay, only hope was to tell the probe to replace it. Okay, let's go to only hope. Now solution, the solution, yes, they had to. Okay, let's read it again, I'm lost. The only hope was to tell the probe to replace them with, they are talking about sub replacement with. Okay, they had to. Okay, were on the brink of falling. NASA experts realized that they had to do something or lose contact with their probe forever. The solution was to get a message to Voyager to instruct it to use spares to change the falling parts. The only hope means they are talking about the solution. The solution was to tell the probe to replace them with what they are going to replace. Voyager. Okay, they had to do something to go. The solution, probe is here. Message to Voyager to instruct it to use spares to change. Yes, spares. Yes, spares. Change to replace them. To replace them. What is this? This is plural. So we have to find like to replace them with spares. Yes. Replace them with spares. Yes. Instruct it to use spares to change the falling parts. With difficult, made communication with the probe difficult. Falling parts. Okay. Yes, was not an easy task. Yes, we have got the correct answer. But distance made communication with probe difficult. Distance is given 12 billion kilometers from Earth. This is the great distance they are talking about. This was not an easy task. Okay, from here to here, we from in these two sentences we have got the answer for this line only. The whole this line they have divided into two sentences in the reading passage. So they always do like this only in IELTS reading passage. You have to find the meaning, you have to match the meaning for finding these words, as well as one more important, as I always told you, always look for the before and after the words. Of course, not every time you will not get the same before and after words, but of course one or you may get the clue from the before the word or after the word. Okay, 37th is A. Was used to transmit the message at the speed of light. Okay, speed of light by means of a radio dish belonging to NASA's deep space network. The message was sent out into the depths of space. Okay, even traveling at the speed of light, it took over 11 hours to reach its target far beyond the orbit of. Okay, let's read the question again. A. Was used to transmit to message at the speed of light. Speed of light is here. What they are using? I think yes, a radio. Yes, I got the clue here. A radio dish is given. So answer is a radio dish. So we have to choose the options, no more than two words. So of course we can write radio dish. This is the correct way. A radio dish. From this we got the clue, as well as to transmit the message at the speed of light. Of course radio dish will be using. Okay, now let's go to the last type of question we have left is true false not given. Only 3 questions are left for this reading. Let's read it. The concept of describing something as true false was the starting point for Shannon in its attempt to send messages over distances. Okay, true false, yes, I think I have come across in D paragraph. Yes, it is given. Let's read it again. The concept of describing something as true or false was the starting point for Shannon, okay, to send messages over distances. Okay, here we got the answer for the finding the information. So let's read it from this point of. He set out with an apparently simple aim to pin down the precise meaning of the concept of information. Describing something as true false was the starting point for Shannon in his attempt to send messages. Okay, to pin down the precise meaning of the concept of information, the most basic form of information, whether true false, yes, true false is here. Shannon argued is whether something is true or false, which can be captured in the binary unit or bit of the form having identified fundamental units. Shannon set out defining otherwise vague ideas about information and how to transmit it from place to place. Okay, yes, the concept of describing something as true or false was a starting point for Shannon in his attempt to send messages over distances. Yes, from here to here, if you read it thoroughly, then you can find the answer is perfectly, the statement is perfectly matching. How to transmit it from place to place. Okay, from here, from you, if you started reading from here, you can find the statement, what the statement is saying over here. So answer is true. Next is 39. The amount of information that can be sent in a given time period is determined with reference to the signal strength and noise level. Yes, noise level they are talking about in this D paragraph. Let's read it from here. From here we have, okay, let's read the statement. The amount of information that can be sent in a given time period is determined with reference to the signal strength and noise level. Signal strength and noise level. Okay, limit, and this rate depends signal and noise traveling down the communication channel. Okay, this rate depends on the relative strength of the signal and noise traveling down the communication channel and on its capacity. This resulting limit given in the is absolute maximum rate of error-free communication given signal strength and noise level. Yes, it is also matching. Yes, signal strength is, noise level is, of course, signal strength and noise level, everything is given. The statement is perfectly matching. The amount of information that can be sent in a given period of time. Okay, given period of time it is given. Okay, bits per second, maximum rates, given signal. This is also conveying the from here to here. You can read it twice or thrice in order to match the statement. So this is also true. 40th is, last one is, products have now been developed which can convey more information than Shannon had anticipated as possible. Products have now been developed. Okay, now they are talking about products which can convey more information than Shannon had anticipated as possible. Anticipated, yes, Shannon is also here. Product they are talking about here. Product, I think they were talking in E paragraph something. Yes, I have read out. Error detecting system, breakthrough, proof coding methods. Okay, using information. The other codes have become part of everyday, such as universal. Yes, product. Yes, as I told you, I have read somewhere around products. So while reading, while finding the other answers also, you have to take care of another important words in the passage. Like I was it was striking in my mind. Product I have read out in E paragraph. So do it like this only. Now product code, or which uses a simple error detecting that ensures crumbling back. As recently 1993, engineers made a major breakthrough by discovering so-called turbo codes which come very close to Shannon's ultimate limit for the maximum rate that data can be transmitted reliably, and now play a key role in mobile videophone revolution. Now here what they are saying, products have now been developed which can convey more information than Shannon had anticipated as possible, but the statement is not matching. Error detective system, as recently engineers, now let's read it from here. Engineers made a major breakthrough by discovering so-called turbo codes which come very close to Shannon's ultimate limit for the maximum rate that data can be transmitted reliably, and now play a key role in the mobile videophone revolution. It means whatever they have take out, these persons take out today, but it was the earlier anticipation by Shannon's ultimate limit for the maximum rate which can be transmitted reliably. Now play a key role. It means they are not matching this is not the matching with the statement. So answer is false. Thank you so much. We have completed this reading. Thank you so much.